Hi, we are from LAX2012, group 41. Today we are going to do our discussion file video. Okay, before we start, let me introduce ourselves. Let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Aslina, card metric number 185282.
Hello, my name is Kitanjali. My matrix number is 189575.
Hi, my name is Elithia. My matrix number is 189662.
Hi, my name is Aina Mardia Shoida. My matrix number 187486.
Hi, my name is Yogesh and my metric number is 187609.
Hi, my name is Nakib and my metric number is 187432.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Lim and my metric number is 190713.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashwini Tankaraju. My metric number is 190787.
Hi, I'm Abitra Kalayarasu. My matrix number is 189086.
Hi, I'm Kirtana Chandran. My metric number is 189070.
Okay, previously we already divided ourselves into 3
Groups.
Yes. Now we are going to discuss about our topic. Okay, let's start.
So the first group would be...
Okay, first group is going to discuss about student attitudes. And then the second group about...
Who's in the first group and then second group and then the third group again?
We are going
Just to
to be
remind, just in case.
first group.
First group and then this is the second group.
And
then
the
third
third group.
Okay, student attitude, what I'm going to highlight is about maybe the attitude of students coming late to class. I think each class is a must. Student or more than one student come late to the class, right? You think why?
Maybe it's too early for them to wake up.
So
The 8 a.m. class.
But do you realize when it comes to exam,
They'll be on time.
why?
They are not too nervous because of
Yeah, they couldn't
test.
sleep.
While
they-
class they just let
why
it
they
go.
can't come as punctual as they come to the examination? Right.
Maybe they thought that the class is not important. Like
Yes.
sometimes the
different
lecturer
actually.
also don't bother if student come late. So when exam, if they come late, the
It will affect their mark.
won't let them enter.
For me, it's quite interesting to highlight this topic because it's become our habit, which is not good actually. I asked my friend why you come late, and it's better to come late rather than not come at all.
That's a life motto.
So, any opinion?
What I feel is that the students coming late to class is maybe because previous night they have so many assignments to do and they stay awake till maybe in the mid morning, and then once they finish they get back to sleep, and then in the morning they have to wake up. It's like very hard for them, and eventually they come late for the
And
class.
for those who get involved to their college activities, late night practice and stuff, and they can't wake up early.
So, you guys agree with that?
No, if it's not agreeing, not sense of agreeing, it's like it is what happening because of
yeah,
the
just
reality.
Because usually when there is exam, we also sleep late at night.
But it's
that is
test.
because priority.
Yes.
Priority goes for the
But
test.
there are some students never sleep at all. They just
Actually-
after finish and then just go to the exam.
They might think like after finishing the test, they can just get back to sleep.
Oh, yeah.
Because test is more important than normal lecture class.
Well, in my point of view, from my experiences and from observing my other friends, observing say like from my experience with friends that do this, that do have this attitude, sorry, and they have these attitudes as well. And from what I found out is that it's not what I found out. It's like what I understand is that I'm not blaming lecturers. I'm not saying that the way they teach is wrong, but I'm just saying that sometimes students don't come to class because some lecturers are, you could say they are not as interesting as other lecturers, because some students, they come to class on time on certain classes, and usually those classes are either strict about attendance, like they want the students to come in early or else they might get penalized, or the lecturer that is teaching that class is very interesting, and the way they teach makes them want to come and learn. Because some lecturers, they teach in a way that is
Okay, just continue.
no problems. Okay, sorry. Some lecturers teach in a way that sometimes bores, does not get the attention of students. They get bored easily, and the way they teach is like some lecturers that I've been in classes to is they like to read the notes. Like some students like to present. They are reading the slides, and some lecturers that I've learned from, they like to explain things. They give examples in real life situation, which makes the class a bit more interesting compared to a lecturer that is just reading notes and explaining a few bits, but mostly reading notes. Because when students go into a class like that, they think that why should I focus in this class, and they think that they can just study at home or in their room. So they don't think that coming to class to learn is a priority, because they think that they can cover it at home when they're studying for exams. I think that is one main reasons for that kind of attitude from some students. Not all students, but some.
We are not blaming the lecturer.
No, not blaming the lecturer.
That's one of the
It's
reasons.
just some of the reasons of why some students do that. It's because that's what they see lecturers do, and that's what the response is, in my opinion.
But I want to add, if these students see any lecturers that not being strict, they will ask their friends to sign for them. Even for a whole month, they already sign it all.
Yeah, I have a classmate like that.
Yeah, I think coming late to class is better than this habit.
Yeah. It's actually not fair for other friends who learn, because we have like 80% of attendance, right? It is really not fair for those who didn't come. And then they just get their attendance and so on.
But if the student get caught because of this habit,
They will be penalized.
they might be penalized, or some other serious action might be taken seriously.
Lecturer maybe should be strict about the attendance,
Attendance.
giving the attendance.
Okay, let's move to another topic.
Yeah, so been too long.
Right.
So next, yes.
So for the cafe, what we actually plan is we just want to ask the students whether they satisfied with the service of the staff and the food from the cafe.
If I'm not mistaken, there's a lot of cases with
Yeah,
cafes that
cafes.
serve bad food and it's causing food poisoning for students.
Yes.
Besides food poisoning, are the food like offered at the cafes any good? Do they taste okay? Do you think the ingredients they use are fresh?
No.
No?
Sometimes they prepare early at sometimes they prepare early as 10 morning, and
Sometimes
then
9 also.
they, 9 also.
Because they start to cook early.
Yeah, then
Or,
they continue sell the same thing until
Till 9
evening.
9, right? So it's not good actually, because if we say about the nutrients, and of course the nutrient, there's no nutrient, but it's about the taste. It's not taste good after all, after the 9, right?
And the food is exposed for a long
Yeah,
period of time.
and then sometimes there are flies there, and we don't know, we can't see the egg flies, right? Because the people before us will just visit
Pick up the,
yeah, then we come later, we just
stay.
take it and we know that there's eggs in there. So maybe the food safety should be prioritized in cafe.
And another more, the fur of the cat
Yes.
maybe fly
The
over to
cleanliness
the
in
food.
the
Yes.
cafes.
I think it's very important in food preparation, but then I see none in our cafes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially at the kitchen, it's like quite smelly, quite uneasy when to look at it. You know.
And then the way they store the ingredients also not that good, not proper.
They supposed to like preheat before giving to the students if they cook it early, but not. They just keep it for a very long time until they get it everything set.
I think maybe that must be that the people higher up in the PPM is not taking like food safety seriously, as serious as they should be, because this food poisoning problem is occurring frequently. It's not that it happened once in a year. I think it's like twice a year or 3 times.
Actually, many times already.
Many times?
From first year to now.
Every year there has to be at least a few cases, right? Yeah, that's not a good sign. Like, if they really were strict about food safety and cleanliness, this wouldn't be occurring a lot of time. Maybe once in a year or maybe once in a blue moon, but not every semester, because this is the problem that is happening. So we know that this is actually a big problem, but nobody is. Everyone is turning a blind eye to it. That's what I'm trying to say. It's like nobody sees it as a serious problem, but actually it is, because it's health, and it's all going to cause to unhealthy students, not being able to learn in class, not being able to go to exams. If they're unhealthy, I have to sit in the room or in the hospital. So anything else for the cafes?
Actually, we got an experience of observing. We ordered the food and wait just in front of the cafe, and he was preparing tom yum. Once he finished preparing the tom yum, he poured it in the bowl. The bowl is not full enough. So what we saw was he added the tap water inside the
He
plate.
actually added tap water
Is
and
it?
filled it.
God.
Yes.
From the hose?
Yes.
Directly from
Yes.
the hose?
I ordered that. I ordered that. Like I'm not gonna eat till ever.
Did you rejected it?
Yeah.
Or
No,
you think
because
you
I got
attitude
it. I got it because I already paid the money, right? But I didn't eat it. How am I
Did you
supposed to eat that after seeing how it's done using the tap water? So
Did you
I didn't
complain directly to him or
eat. No. I didn't. Because I decided, no use. I'm not gonna come and eat here anymore after that. So I stopped eating. I really stopped eating that.
Should have taken a video. And then you blackmail him.
There should be more inspection
Yeah, I think
frequently.
I got only once only they came for inspection in PFC Putra food court.
And I'm pretty sure they gave
In
early
these 3
notice.
years of my degree
3
life, I
years?
got see once only they came for the inspection.
They should do that frequently.
Frequently,
Frequently.
yes.
Maybe every semester.
Every month.
so let's move on to the next topic, I think. So for our next topic is about the bus problem in
Bus
UPM.
facilities.
Yeah, bus facilities. So I think that the bus is not really not enough, but then they should prepare more bus during peak hour, like 8 a.m. class and 5 p.m. when everyone finished class. So they should provide more bus.
And one more thing is like the duration of the bus waiting is like 15 minutes. So during the peak hours, like we feel better if they shorten the duration time, which means like in 5 minutes the bus come and pick all the students, send it, and then come in the next round in the 5 minutes. So there won't be a traffic jam at all the bus stops.
So, as a result of buses getting delayed, I can see more students using apps like My Car and Grab to reach their destinations on time.
Yes, I think that the bus is not really on time now, because usually we will like estimate our time. For example, when our class is for example 12 in the noon, so we will take maybe 11:45 bus or 11:30 bus. But sometimes the bus is not on time, so it will affect the
That might be a reason for coming late to class.
Yes.
So it's not the attitude.
Yeah,
It's
just
the
relating
problem.
back to your topic.
What I want to talk about bus is the attitude of drivers towards the students. Sometimes they are not compassionate at all towards the student. They will be like restricting the students should wear the metric card, or else they won't let the students to get in the bus. I think that's like, don't treat us like kindergarten student. Like, I know metric card is a must, but I think nowadays it's not frequent, right?
Frequently wear by students.
Probably I think that's a regulation from UPM that they
Yeah.
have to make sure. It's not their problem.
But sometimes
it's
they
something
should be
regulation
kind
that
towards
they
the
have.
students.
There are ways to tell
Approach,
us.
yes.
How about you guys use the new Putra VID? Everyone
Oh,
can use it.
I haven't really checked out that.
There's an app on
yeah.
Android, only Android right
Yeah,
now, but
you can
you
track
can
where's the bus,
display
where's
your
the bus
online metric card. It's like virtual.
online.
Oh,
So you don't need to bring the card anymore. It's on Play Store.
We're living in cave.
No, it's if you heard like the first year starting from this
Yeah,
year,
they don't have
even
the
have
metric
physical
card. They
card
don't have
anymore.
metric card.
Is
Yes,
it?
yeah.
Yes, the first
Everything is
year.
online.
Mm.
So everyone is using Android, I guess. I don't know.
And then
iPhone, I think they don't have it on iPhone yet.
There's no.
So the
There's no
attendance,
card.
No,
they
you
don't
can.
have
That's
that.
why
Yeah.
I think you can I think like there's a way to bypass it by screenshotting your ID card and then you can show it. Oh, it's my card. Then I'm not sure if it's unique to every time you log in, but depends on how good the system. I have to ask my.
So maybe
Lecturer.
after this, the bus should be have something like rapid.
I'm pretty sure that they no, I mean,
Scan and go.
it was okay. I'm joining this group. I might be joining an FYP project with IDEC and engineering, and they were talking about implementing Putra access in the bus. So you just have to scan with your phone. You don't need to show physical anymore. So as long as you have data, you can always just show. I'm a student, so there's no problem about the physical.
I'm thinking, do they
ID
pick our
card.
students will go and scan?
You get your phone lost. Actually the card also like getting worse, fade. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
Yeah.
nice.
My card's already like so terrible. It's like I've been here for 10 years.
It's so
Something
true.
about
Someone
please.
just push you.
Yeah.
Literally all the students will be rushing to get inside the bus. They won't have time to scan and go.
But it's good. It's a nice idea. So other than that,
No, I don't. Is there any other? Maybe we have to discuss on which one we're going to choose.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I
So
think
right now-
that's all from our side. Maybe you can come to the conclusion.
Yeah, which topic we gonna choose?
So right now, what do you guys think is a problem for each? Maybe we should discuss the problems of making a VMAC video on each topic. Like which one would be
Oh, the
the
pros
most
and
best and
cons.
suitable one? So right now, attitudes. What would we want to do with a VMAC for attitudes? You want?
Sorry. Okay.
Oh,
Maybe VMAX video when we do the VMAX and then we highlight about our topics. Maybe student can realize that actually it's not good to to be late to the class and can improve themselves to come by.
But for the feedback video, we have to like interview them only.
Oh, okay. Interview and then we
So any
can
other elements to add on?
interview the lecturer, what they feel and the student can.
So it's all about interviewing.
Yes.
Okay, interviewing. Okay.
What about
So-
cafe?
I think VMAC is always about interviewing.
Interviewing
Every
people.
single topic was taken an interview, but
Interview is like
is there anything like
it's a must.
extra element that we could put in the video?
Maybe cafe we can interview the students and
Interview?
then actually we can interview the cafe owners also, but not interview them, not include them in the video. Maybe they didn't know how to speak in English. Maybe we can translate the information when we
or
do
maybe
our
we
own
can,
work. Yeah.
maybe we can bring a translator.
Yeah.
No, I don't think we need to bring a translator. We could just subtitle the video.
Yeah,
Subtitle.
I could do that, but it would take a bit more time. So we have to do the video early, so I have more time to subtitle it. But it's possible, I can do it.
No need a translator, you know.
Or maybe we can just shoot video of the food getting exposed, how they prepare food, that kind of video, rather than taking all interviews.
Paparazzi.
Did you know something like that? Maybe we can like put infos like to inform the viewers that.
Okay, as for the bus, we can take video of people fighting at the during the peak hours. We can take people fighting
Yes.
to get into the bus.
It's like real life footage of people trying to get into a bus to see how chaotic it is.
Maybe we can drag one of the students out of it, then interview them.
And then they will be
How
late
As
for
long
class.
as that
They're
person
gonna be
doesn't
late
come
for
and
class.
get
I
you.
think that's a good idea.
We can ask them, how do you feel getting inside a bus? Is
Well,
it
you
tough?
should get
It's a
on
tough
the bus.
competition.
Like a reporter, how do you feel?
Sorry, please, give me a
Did you enjoy
subsection.
that fight?
Because I had experience, I wanted to get into the bus. One of my friends, she just like, she asked me lah. Then I volunteered to interview. Thank God, I finished my interview, the bus is arriving. Quickly run to the bus.
Yeah,
That's what we can do.
What do you guys think? Like, which one is
What is the major problem in students face?
So right now, I think like the two most probable like topics we could choose from is definitely the bus or the cafes, because there's a lot to talk about between those two topics. Maybe the attitudes is, I think everyone knows about attitudes, just individually what they want to do. So it's not much. Like compared to the bus and the cafe, it will make a better VMAT video compared to attitudes.
Yes.
So which
So
one do you
between
think?
the two, cafe and
For me, I will go for bus because that's my major problem.
all
So
of our
personally,
major problems actually.
Yeah, actually, I was also from KCP.
And also bus.
Yeah, bus is one of my problem at UPM, so I agree with going on with bus problem.
So I think we have come to the conclusion. So we will, for the second VMAX video, we will do about bus facilities. So I think that's all from us, right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.